Basically, if you wish to join this company, so upon your own wish, you can join this company by paying $60, and if you pay another $10, if you wish to pay another $10, then you will get 18 karat gold plated watch, either male or female. Sir, if you pay another $10, then you get 18 karat gold plated watch. What is this $10 for? So let me clear you. If you pay along with $60 $10, you'll then get 18 karat gold plated watch with the joining. But what is this $10 for? This $10 consists of two things. Number one, the transportation cost of this watch from Norway to Pakistan. And number two, it's air insurance. Because it is a gold plated watch, therefore it is insured watch, and this is known as traveling insurance. From one port to another port, whenever the customer gets this watch, then the insurance is over. So this $10 consists of two things. Number one, the transportation cost of this watch from Norway to Pakistan, and number two, it's air insurance. Meanwhile, if you don't want to pay this $10, make it clear, you won't be having this 18 karat gold plated watch. But let me clear you one thing more, that by not paying this $10, you will not be getting 18 karat gold plated watch. Most of the people say that, what is this $60 gone for? I'll tell you later during my presentation that this $60 will not be gone, it will be used for your own purpose. So I will tell you later. Now let me clear you one thing more, that whatever I have written is basically the profile of the company. I have just written the name of the company. The name of the company is Goldmine International. It is Norway based. It has been working for the last 9 years, since February 2000. The products of the company is gold products, which can be seen on this website. If you wish to join the company, you will have to pay $60 once in a lifetime. There is no expiry. Neither you have to pay another dollars in the future. Sir, there is no expiry and no renewal. You just have to pay once in a lifetime this $60, and this is the minimum amount. If you pay another $10, that becomes $70. Then you'll be getting 18 karat gold plated watch. It depends upon you. And if you don't pay this $10, you don't get any watch, and this $60 will remain for you, and it will be used for your own purpose. I'll tell you later during my presentation. I hope the things are clear according to the profile of the company. Now, if you wish to join the company by paying either $60 or $70, then company gives you a plan, and that plan is known as 3x3A plan. What is this A stands for? A stands for advance. So basically, most of the people are working on this plan because this is a convenient plan, most convenient plan. So I also follow this plan. I would like to clear this plan with the help of a diagram. So let me clear you what does 3x3A plan means. Now, as I have written here, what the company wants you to do is network marketing. So clear this. What does the company wants us to do? Company wants us to do the network marketing, as I told you earlier in the beginning of my lecture. This is what the company wants us to do. Network marketing, or you may call it mouth publicity. Company wants us to do the network marketing, or you may call it mouth publicity, and against this, as I told you earlier in this beginning of my lecture, that company will give you as a reward a $30 commission. Minimum, that is the starting of your commission. I'll tell you the maximum limit in the end of my lecture. Now I would like to clear you about this plan. What does 3x3A plan means? Whenever you log in to this office, the company on joining will give you an office on this net. You'll have the password, in other sense the key of your office, same like this. This is you. Just pretend that all of you are you. I'm pretending that I am you. So this is you. This is your name. Your name will be written here, and your date of joining will be written here. This is your office on the net. The company will provide you this office along with your left hand side and right hand side. You have two hands to work with, similarly as I do. This is my head, this is me, this is my left hand side, and this is my right hand side. The company gives you only two hands to work with. This is your left hand side, and this is your right hand side to work with. So this is you, this is your line of control, this is the margin line. The people here cannot shift to there, and the people who are logged in here cannot shift there. That is why it is called line of control. This is you, this is your left hand side, this is your right hand side. Similarly, this person will also have his left hand side and his right hand side. Similarly with this person, he will also have a line of control along with left hand side and right hand side. You can carry on with this, but right now I am just telling you about the plan which is known as 3x3A with the help of a diagram. This is you, this is your line of control, this is your left hand side, and this is your right hand side. Company has offered you only two hands, left and right hand, to work with. For example, this is you, you have joined the company, and after joining the company, as you were thought about the company plan and about the company items and about the company products, similarly, you along with your seniors, with the help of your seniors, for example, you brought your friend, and your friend also, by understanding this whole work, upon his agreement, joined this company. So Mr. A is the friend of Mr. U, and he has joined the company with the help of the seniors. Now, Mr. U again tells his brother, his cousin, his family mate about this firm, and if he cannot tell him about this company, so the seniors are there to help you, as I am helping you, as my seniors help me. For example, Mr. U told his family member about this company, for example his cousin, and then his cousin agreed upon his wish and joined the company. Then Mr. B, which is the family person of Mr. U, has joined the company. So now you can see Mr. U has joined two persons, one on his left, one on his right. The left person is his friend and the right person is his family member. Now Mr. A, after understanding this company, the working of the company, joins his friends, for example Mr. C here. Now Mr. A wishes to join another friend of his here, but unfortunately he is unable to join this person, his friend. Now on the other hand, Mr. U, by our proceeding, Mr. A can join any entry which Mr. U has upon his own wish, and then Mr. U supersedes Mr. A and joins a person known as Mr. D. That means the filling of this place is necessary. It doesn't matter